Welcome to my web development series. This is video number 2 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In this video, you are going to write your first web page with HTML. Previously, you have learned that HTML tags come in pairs. We have opening tags and closing tags, and then your content goes in the middle. So we are going to use that knowledge. And to make it easier, we are going to use what's already installed in your machine. Let me know in the comment what operating system you'll be using for this class. So if you're using Windows machine, you have Notepad. And if you're using Mac machine, you have TextEdit. I'm going to show you using TextEdit. If you're going to use Notepad, it will be the same process. To open TextEdit on my computer, I'll use a shortcut Command space. This will bring up Spotlight search. I will type my TextEdit and press enter. I will start by changing my font to 36 just to make it bigger so you can see what I'm typing. Let's start by typing HTML tag and remember to close it. So by writing opening and closing HTML, we're just saying anything between is HTML code. Now let's add opening and closing body tag. And here we mean anything between opening and closing body tag will be shown inside the main browser. Now inside the body tag, let's add opening and closing H1 tag. And in the middle, let's write Hello World. H1 is heading level 1, and we're going to learn more about headings in later videos. Press enter, then let's add opening and closing P tag for paragraph. Then in the middle, I will write I am learning HTML. Now it's time to save our document. And before we do that, we need to convert it to plain text document because TextEdit out of the box doesn't write plain text. But if you're using Notepad, you don't need to convert to plain text. But here I need to change to plain text. And to do that, we go to Format, then down to Make Plain Text, then click. Then I'll click OK. To increase the font, I'll go to Format, Font, Show Font, then I'll choose 36. Now we can save our document, and to do that, we go to File, then Save. Now I'll name my document. I'll name it firstwebpage.html. Don't forget .html extension at the end. Here I'll click Use .html. If you're on Windows machine, save as type, use all files. Now I'm going to open my browser. To open our document, we go to File, Open File. So here I saved my document in the desktop. So I'll choose it and click open. Another shortcut, if you're using Google Chrome or Firefox as a web browser, you can drag and drop it in the main window. And there you have it, your first web page. You made it. Congratulations. Now from here, I am encouraging you to go back, see what we have written, practice writing it again on your own until you see the pattern or until it makes sense to you. And then in the next video, we are going to build from here. See you then.